Today we are going to discuss deviation of gases from ideal behavior. Deviation of gases from ideal behavior. What is ideal behavior? If the gas is following PV equal to nRT formula, those gases are ideal gases. Boyle's law, Charles' law already we discussed. Boyle's law में the graph will be this line. It should be comes like this. The graphical line between P versus V. Okay, but if you take real gases, you are doing some experiment in the chemistry lab, then the experimental values, if you take in the graph, you will get like this dotted lines. So it is completely different. Why it is different? Okay, let it be. Then again, one more graph, pressure versus PV. Pressure versus PV. What is the Boyle's law? P inversely proportional to 1 by V. So PV equal to 1, that means constant K. So when pressure is rising, volume will be decreased. So PV always constant होता है. When pressure is rising, PV will be constant only. So this dotted line, it should be for ideal gases. Ideal gases में ऐसा होना चाहिए. लेकिन really the lines are like this. Okay, at different temperature I am taking. Here T1, T2, T3. Obviously T1 is higher temperature. That's why the PV value is higher. So now the question is, why this deviation? Why this deviation? Okay, this deviation because in the gas molecules some attractions and repulsions are present. Okay, so still this deviation, how to calculate? For that, one factor is given here. Z equal PV by nRT. This is the compressibility factor. Compressibility factor. Compressibility factor. If the Z value is 1, that is ideal gas. If Z is not equal to 1, that means real gases. अब Z is not equal to 1 में two conditions होगा. One is Z is greater than 1 होगा, Z is less than 1 होगा. Okay, that is more than 1 is there. Obviously, it is positive deviation. If less than 1 is there, negative deviation. Negative deviation. ठीक है? वो negative deviation कब होता है? Positive deviation कब होता है? I will tell you once again. See, Z value is more than 1. So nRT तो constant है. More than 1 means the PV value will be more. PV value will be more. See, I am applying some pressure. And the same ratio में volume will be decreased. I am applying some pressure means pressure I am raising. So in that case, volume should be decreasing. If the volume is not properly decreasing, then obviously my PV value will be more. PV value will be more. Why PV value will be more? वो condition क्या हो सकता है? In between gas molecule, repulsions are there maybe. That's why those are not compressing whatever our expectation is there. ठीक है? So pressure double हो गया तो volume double decrease होना चाहिए. तब तो हो रहा नहीं. That means molecule के बीच में some repulsions are there. In that case, we are getting PV value is higher. So in that case, Z value we are getting more than 1. So whenever that is called positive deviation. So whenever we are getting positive deviation, the positive deviating gases we cannot compress easily, right? Z equal less than 1 कब होता है? देखो, I am applying pressure double, volume तो आधा होना चाहिए था, लेकिन आधा से भी और कम हो गए. So PV value will be, total value will be less. PV value will be less. So less value upon more value, that means your value will be less than 1. That is called negative deviation. वो negative deviation कब हो सकता है? In between the gas molecule, if more attractive forces are there, those are coming to closer. Okay? So now in the COVID situation, 1 meter distance, my goal है. लेकिन friends है तो क्या होता है? आधा मीटर distance. Enemies है तो 2 meter distance. ठीक है? Similarly. So ज़्यादा closer आ रहे हैं, मतलब total volume occupying less. So that is negative deviation. Compressibility factor. Now see the graph between Z and P. This important graph. Z factor and T. So see what is the formula, that is equal to PV by RT. For ideal gases कभी भी 1 होता है, मतलब this line should come like this. Okay, but if you take real gases, the graph is like this. A few gases are going like this. So this is the 1 greater than 1. Here Z is less than 1. So in this area we can liquefy easily, we can compressible easily. These gases can't compressible, can't compress. Okay, so you can take any graph. See, all graphical lines are by increasing the pressure. Initially तो negative deviation, certain pressure में following ideal gas. After by higher pressure, by increasing pressure at higher pressure, all are showing positive deviation. That means at a higher pressure में we cannot liquefy gas. Those are not following ideal gas. That is the thing, right? Understood? Okay. Next. Next, causes of the deviation. If there is causes of the deviation, these are the deviations. Next. 2 points are there. See, causes of the deviation already I explained you in the starting of kinetic molecular theory. I kept the star mark, the 2 points. What are the 2 points? See, compared to this container volume, these gas molecules occupying volume. Don't write. Wait. This gas molecules occupying volume is negligible according to ideal gas. बट सच में तो ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हैं. एक ये रॉन्ग पॉइंट था. दूसरा पॉइंट था ये बिटवीन द मॉलिक्यूल्स अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस एंड रिपल्सिव फोर्सेस जीरो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आइडियल गैस, बट सच में तो एग्जिस्ट होता है. द 2 पॉइंट्स आर देयर. आई विल टेल यू. राइट, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, द वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय द गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स, the volume occupied by the gas molecules is negligible. The volume occupied by the gas molecules is negligible as compared to Van der Waals equation. See, Van der Waals equation, generally ideal gas equation, already we know that this PV equal to nRT. ये तो ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. तो pressure according to this real gases, pressure में कैसे रेज होता है? See, pressure में इफेक्ट होता है attractive forces and repulsive forces का. फर्स्ट वन आई विल कंप्लीट दिस V. V में एक्चुअल वैल्यू क्या होगा? एक्चुअल वॉल्यूम होगा V माइनस NB होगा. व्हाट इज दिस V माइनस NB? सी, ये तो 1000 लीटर का कंटेनर है. 1000 लीटर कंटेनर में गैस इज देयर. वो गैस, ऑल गैस मॉलिक्यूल टुगेदर इट मे बी ऑक्युपाइड 2 लीटर और 1 लीटर. मतलब 1000 माइनस 1, 1000 माइनस 1, तो 1000 माइनस 1. सर ये 1 ये क्या है? n is the number of molecule. If number of molecule is more, then this value will be more. 1 मोल है तो ठीक है, कुछ होगा मे बी 10 ml. 10 मोल है तो 10 into 10 तो 100 ml हो जाएगा. मतलब this NB value is directly proportional to the n. What about B? B is the nature of the gas. Nature of gas पे depend होता है. वो nature of gas in generally size of the molecule पे depend होता है. Here B is depends on the size of the molecule. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल एंड हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल दोनों में फर्क होगा. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड तो मोट 3 मॉलिक्यूल्स है, बिगर इन साइज. हाइड्रोजन तो छोटा था. ठीक है, वो दोनों में द B इज डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द गैस. हर एक गैस के लिए B इज द कांस्टेंट. डिफरेंट. हाइड्रोजन के लिए एक कांस्टेंट वैल्यू, फिक्स्ड वैल्यू होगा. हीलियम के लिए अलग होगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए अलग होगा. So this n is the number of moles. चलो V तो करेक्शन हो गया, अभी प्रेशर P में करेक्शन चाहिए. P में करेक्शन कभी भी एक इधर गैस मॉलिक्यूल सर दे, एक गैस मॉलिक्यूल में अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स एंड रिपल्सिव फोर्स डायरेक्टली डिपेंड्स ऑन द डेंसिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. डेंसिटी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, क्योंकि ज्यादा क्लोज है तो डेंसिटी मतलब क्या है, पर वॉल्यूम में हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स आर देयर, डेंसिटी वही होता है. So if density is increasing, attractive force and repulsive force also increasing. Okay, then the pressure also rising. Suppose here a molecule is hitting with 10 meter per second speed. अब इधर पीछे एक मॉलिक्यूल था तो खींच रहे, उस टाइम में क्या होगा, ये तो आइडियल था, लेकिन अभी अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स है तो ये 10 मीटर फोर्स से हिट करना था, लेकिन अभी हो गया 8 मीटर. ठीक है, लेकिन ये मॉलिक्यूल इतना दूर में है, इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मतलब कितना डेंसिटी ज्यादा मॉलिक्यूल है तो मोर अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स होगा, ज्यादा प्रेशर पे इफेक्ट होगा. ओके, सो द प्रेशर इज, प्रेशर में इधर माइनस हो गया, इधर ऑब्वियसली प्रेशर प्लस डेंसिटी. डेंसिटी मतलब n/v होता है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स अपॉन वॉल्यूम स्क्वायर इनटू A. Here A and B are the constant, nature of the gas पे डिपेंड होता है. Here n/v is the density पे होता है. ठीक है, डेंसिटी. See I explained here only attractive force, repulsive force भी होता है. ठीक है, so obviously when volume is decreasing means obviously pressure will be rise. इतना जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट है. So volume में कुछ कम हो रहा है मतलब प्रेशर में थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा. So finally after doing this correction, so I can write this formula, Van der Waals gas equation, P plus n/v A into n/v whole square, ये टोटल P हो गया. Then V minus nb small b equal to nRT, इक्वल टू nRT. PV को nRT जैसा, बस P एंड V में करेक्शन करा. अब ये कभी पर वन मोल के लिए सपोज यही इक्वेशन इफ आई राइट फॉर 1 mole gas, then मेरा फॉर्मूला क्या होगा, P plus N means 1 by V whole square, so A by V square. Are you getting? Next V minus B equal to RT. ये 1 mole के लिए this is the check करो. P plus A by V square, V minus B. Okay, you can note down this. What you will write? PV equal to nRT, ideal gas equation. First point you write it. Here P correction. Here P correction is, you write it, P plus n by V whole square into A. This is the P correction. P correction. Then here V correction is V minus NB. V correction is V minus NB. V minus NB. Therefore, third line. Therefore, Van der Waals gas equation is P plus A into n by V whole square into V minus NB equal to nRT. ये थर्ड लाइन हो गई. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ लाइन में, for 1 mole of gas, P plus A by V square into V minus B equal RT. Okay, after writing this, here A comma B are Van der Waals gas constants. Van der Waals gas constants. These are depends on the nature of the gas. These are Here A comma B are van der Waals gas constants. These are depends on the nature of the gas. Next point. A constant A is directly proportional to polarity of the molecule. ये जेई क्वेश्चन में पूछा था. So AB कैसे इंक्रीज डिक्रीज होता है, किस पे डिपेंड होता है? They give that कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. ओके, उसमें वेरिएशन किसमें ये वैल्यू ज्यादा होता है, ये वैल्यू कम कैसे होता है? So here A is directly proportional to the polarity. Then B is directly proportional to the size of the molecule. B is directly proportional to the size of the molecule. A is directly proportional to the polarity. B is directly proportional to the size of the molecule.